Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, my review. Today we are going to talk about the world's cheapest smartphone with Snapdragon 855 Plus chip, which is Mizu 16X Pro. Not only this device comes with the best processor out there in the market, it also has tons of amazing features. So stay tuned till the last of the video so that you won't miss out any of those things. So Mizu 16S Pro uses 6.2-inch Super AMOLED screen with resolution 2232 by 1080 and 91.53 screen to body ratio. The Mizu 16S Pro comes with Snapdragon 855 Plus flagship platform. As I've already mentioned, the processor is assisted by a standard UFS 3.0 flash memory and provides up to 8 gigabytes of memory and 256 gigabytes of storage. So all other storage and RAM variants will be mentioned in the later part of video when I'll be mentioning about the pricing. It also has fast and responsive on-screen fingerprint scanner. As it comes with the Super AMOLED screen, we obviously expect it to give the fingerprint scanner which is mounted on the display. So the frame of the smartphone is metal and the body is glass design. So this is also quite amazing for the price segment. And also some other things, that this device comes with triple camera setup of Sony IMX 586 48 MP sensor and 20 MP Sony IMX 350 sensor and 16 MP super wide angle Sony IMX 481 for telephoto, standard zoom and super wide angle camera respectively. So they have used amazing sensors from Sony, so I expect them to give amazing images if the processor are just optimized well. The camera system support OIS for 4-axis optical anti-shake, and on the front side we have 20 MP shooter which supports AI beauty, and the lens name is not mentioned by the company itself. Furthermore, the Mizu 16S Pro comes with 3600 mAh of battery, so I think which is quite a downside, but we can neglect it because it has fast charging up to 24 watt, which they call as M charge. For its software, this smartphone comes with FIME 7 based on Android Pie, but don't worry guys, the FIME 8 beta version will be released maybe at the time when you will be seeing the video, and the release date for the beta version is today, so you can see that when you have watched the video so that you will be clear about which version is it right now. And it also has NFC support, which we usually don't get in smartphone in the budget segment. And for pricing, which is the most highlighting feature of the smartphone, there are total 3 versions available for the smartphone, which is 6128, 8128 and 8256 gigabyte model. The price of 6128 gigabyte version is 2699 yuan, which is around $377, and all the pricing Chinese, US and Indian are on your screen right now. The 8 gigabyte 128 gigabyte version and 8 gigabyte 256 gigabyte version cost 2999 yuan, which is $419, and 3299 yuan, which is $460 respectively. So I think for the price segment they have given us more than we have expected, and if you expect something more or some more features from the smartphone which are not given by Mizu, then do comment below, cause I also wanna know that what you guys are expecting above than this. So talking about the availability of the smartphone, pre-order for device commence today in China, and the first outright sale will take place on August 31st. So these are all other thing. And now coming toward the downside of the smartphone, that this does not have 3.5mm audio jack, which is one point. And another thing is that it does not have a memory card slot, which is quite negligible because we get 128 gigabyte on the base variant only, and I don't think that we will use this device until that. And obviously we can reset our phone to get storage time to time, but this is one of the downside. And also the device comes with USB type C charging port, which I forgot to mention in the above section. So if you want to know any further more specification about the smartphone, then do comment below. And this is all for today guys. Hope to see you in the next one. Until my next video, peace.